The US dollar about to surge against the Swiss franc, or is its recent rally about to hit a brick wall? The USDCHF is at a fascinating crossroads, and today we're breaking down the conflicting signals to see where it might be headed next. Looking at recent price action, it's clear there's a major battle brewing. The overall sentiment is incredibly mixed, splitting traders into two distinct camps. On one hand, we've seen a powerful upward surge. On the other, the price is now testing a formidable level of resistance that could stop the rally in its tracks. Let's start with the bullish case. We've seen a significant rebound from a support zone right around 0.7950. Several analyses highlight this level as a strong buying point, and the price action confirms it with a sharp move higher from that exact area. Some longer-term views are suggesting that if the upward momentum continues, we could see targets as high as 0.85. The recent strength is undeniable, and many traders who bought in at lower levels have already seen impressive gains. However, the bears are starting to make their presence felt. The rally has stalled right at a critical resistance level around 0.8040. This is a zone where sellers are expected to step in. We're seeing charts that specifically identify this area as a high-probability selling opportunity. Adding fuel to the bearish fire, technical indicators like the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, are showing overbought conditions on shorter timeframes, often a signal that a pullback or reversal is due. This camp believes the recent rally is corrective and that the broader downtrend is poised to resume. So, what are the key takeaways from all this? First, USDCHF is at a critical decision point. The level to watch is the resistance around 0.8040. Second, the line in the sand for the bulls is the support level near 0.7950. As long as the price stays above this, the case for more upside remains intact. And third, the market is completely divided. Bulls are looking for a breakout above 0.8040 to confirm the next leg up. Bears are looking for the price to be rejected at this level, viewing it as a prime opportunity to go short. The immediate future for USDCHF hinges on how it behaves around this 0.8040 resistance. A decisive break above could unleash another wave of buying, while a failure to do so could see the bears take firm control. It's a classic battle between momentum and resistance. As always, manage your risk and keep a close eye on this pivotal level.